Warren Secord Automotive Tire Pros has been a fixture in Kent for decades. Warren Secord opened his shop in 1965. I'm owner Bill Winans. I bought this shop from Warren in 2009. I've kept the same professionalism and customer care that he did. As our name implies, we have a great supply of tires for your car or truck. We've been on the west side of Kent for over 50 years. Come make us your automotive shop.
Have you yet heard about the newer type of automatic transmission, the continuously variable transmission, better known as the CVT? This design enables a CVT-powered car to accelerate with strength and smoothness, so smooth it feels effortless. The key difference with the CVT is that it uses a single metal belt, giving it the ability to change its gear ratio continuously as the engine's speed changes. Autolist.com helps explain some of the benefits of getting a CVT and why many car manufacturers have designed dozens of CVT models in the past decade and made them standard equipment. Most believe the CVT provides a smoother experience compared to a traditional automatic transmission or a manual transmission because of its ability to change its gear ratio continuously. A CVT draws top engine power from a small engine, which gives drivers quicker acceleration. They are also lighter weight than traditional automatic transmissions and thus give better gas mileage. As for the driving experience, many notice the CVT car ride is extremely smooth compared to normal automatic transmissions. They also seem to adapt to varying road conditions and power demands to provide a smoother overall ride. But not all drivers consider these things worth it. It's best to carefully compare the pros and cons of a CVT versus automatic as you make the better choice for your needs and preferences.
Let this informative video be your invitation to come see us for all your auto repair and maintenance needs.